brand new HP ProBook. It's a silver color with the SSD backlight and a full HD screen, silver color. Okay, it's a good reasonable prices. And even Core i5 also we have two category, Core i7 and Core i5. Okay. Even we have Latitude 5000 series laptop also. We are same like this is business series laptop. And we have for the student also we have like 1300 1400 real, in minimum 1950 real also we are starting prices. And higher model, it's a business series laptops like 4500 5000 like that.
Hi everyone, this is Jenish. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to explore the sofitel complex. Guys, this is the one of the cheapest electronics market in Qatar. So we can buy there second-hand laptop and computer, and brand new also we can buy. And also we can buy there is mobile accessories and computer accessories there. Okay, let me go inside the market. We will explore what is available there. गाइस, आज मेरा साथ में मेरा फ्रेंड आया. वो मेरा को हिंदी ज़्यादा नहीं आता है, इसलिए मेरा फ्रेंड आया. वो एक्सप्लेन करेगा, बात करेगा. तो इसको करेक्ट टाइम में वो बात कर रहा है. मेरे को ज़्यादा हिंदी नहीं आता है, आई एम सॉरी. वो ये दिया करती है. भैया, आज हम लोग इधर जाके हमारे में सोफिtel में जाएगा. उधर ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम है. वो वन ऑफ द चीपेस्ट एंड द होलसेल एंड रिटेल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मार्केट है. उसका अंदर ये लैपटॉप है, सेकेंड हैंड लैपटॉप है, नया वाला है. उसका एक्सेसरीज है, पार्ट्स है, मोबाइल एक्सेसरीज है, अंदर ज़्यादा सामान है. अभी हम लोग उधर जाएगा तो एक्सप्लोर करना है. ओके, जाएगा. पहले आपका नाम बोलना चाहिए. आपका नाम मोहम्मद असगर है. मोहम्मद बोलो. ओके भैया, अभी सीधा जाएगा अंदर, एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं अंदर क्या क्या सामान है. Guys, please watch this video until the end. Guys, please, you will get more information about this sofitel market. You can why there is a second-hand computer, a laptop, PCs, and accessories, and mobile accessories also even there. Okay, let me go inside the market so we will explore there and how much the price they are selling here. And also, I forgot to tell you that this is the we can buy here the wholesale price and the retail price also. The things we can buy there. So let me go inside there and we will see how much they are selling, so we can convert the price from the outside shop. So we will know, let me know that if we go there. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so you will get a notification when I come to upload any video, guys. And also please guys, give a thumbs up, guys. That is a motivation for me to make a new vlog in future. I think this is the entrance, so first we will go here. Yes, exactly. Oh, the door is here. Allah. So first I will go to the hardened shop. So we will just I enter here. There how many items are here, display electronic items. So we will ask the shopkeeper, so we will let you know what is available here, and he will explain us how much the price the items, so you can compare with another market, so you will let you know the price. Hi bro, how are you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, just I want to know what is the items here available. So you are selling one of the brand new items, so you have a second hand item. Just explain us.
Hello, welcome. This is Hard and Soft.
Louder.
Okay. Hello, this is Hard and Soft. Welcome, guys. This one we have many laptops and many accessories we have here, and brand new, all brand new desktop accessories like a hard drive, like a pen drives, accessories, all battery chargers, everything we have here. So you can visit us.
Okay, just shall we go the laptops? Could you explain about this?
This is brand new HP laptop.
Okay.
It's Core i5 and with the graphic card, 2GB graphic card and 4GB RAM, 256GB SSD with the graphic card, brand new. It's a reasonable price also. It's like a 1-year warranty from the company also, from Reddington Service Center. We have all from the service center, from this is warranty, all authorized, new one only. Okay, no any second hand.
Okay, let me know how much the price for this one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one you can get 2,300 out.
2,300.
Yes.
Okay, let me go. Same, all of same capacity or different?
No, it's a different. Core i5, Core i3, Core i7 we have, and we have a HP ProBook also. This is brand new HP ProBook. It's a silver color with the SSD backlight and a full HD screen, silver color. Okay, it's a good reasonable prices. And even Core i5 also we have two category, Core i7 and Core i5.
Okay.
Okay, even we have Latitude 5000 series laptop also. We are same like this is business series laptop. And we have for the student also we have like 1300 1400 real, in minimum 1950 real also we are starting prices. And higher model, it's a business series laptops like 4500 5000, like that we have it.
So let me know what is the meaning of the business series.
Business series means it's a heavy duty, 24 hours you can use, and roughly also you can use no problem. It's a Dell Latitude. It's a processor also good processor, and memory, motherboard, everything good, and even body structure also good one. See, this one we have Latitude. It's a 5000 series. Okay, it's a Latitude 5520 model.
Yeah.
5520. This is Core i7 Latitude, and keyboard backlight, full HD screen, and Core i7 11th generation. And it's a performance good.
Yeah.
Okay. So many person they like business series laptop, they call like this. So it's a reasonable price also, 4500 4300, good performance laptop.
Okay.
Even you can use like home use and business also. This Latitude laptop ProBook.
This is also ISO, no?
Yeah, Core i7 and Core i5 we have two model category, this one.
Okay.
And Core i7 you can use like home and business.
Okay.
This is 11th generation, 8GB RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD, and full HD screen, keyboard backlight, finger access, everything there.
Oh, finger is also
Yeah,
available.
finger access
Okay,
also
exactly. That's good. Okay.
And even Latitude also we have 3000 series, Core i7, and Core i5 we have. Even Lenovo we have. Asus brand also we have. For HP we have notebook series like for a student, for study purpose. Normally Core i3, Core i5, like 1300, 1200, and even 1800 also we have many models. And we have a desktop also, like HP, Dell, brand new desktop. Okay, like a Core i7, Core i5, Core i3 we have, and even a reasonable price. Okay, and many routers, switches, and maximum we have services also here for the laptop accessories like keyboards, parts, chargers, battery, everything we have.
I shall here also the mobile accessories, only the computer and laptop
Mobile
accessories.
accessories. Only computer accessories you can get,
Okay.
like keyboards, parts, everything you get.
Yeah. Okay. That's
Okay.
good. That's
And
good.
switches, routers, everything.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay, welcome sir. And you can visit our shop, and you can get reasonable prices here. You know the places, the Sofitel, Doha Sofitel, beside Museri metro station. It's called Sofitel inside first floor, hard and soft.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
And here also, guys, we found another gaming shop, Abbas Matradi. So we will go inside and we will explain about this.
Can you drop your Instagram?
Hi guys, I'm from Abbasma Trading in Sofitel complex. It's located in near Museri metro station in Sofitel complex. Shop name Abbasma Trading. Actually, we are dealing with new laptops and desktops and gaming accessories. We are customizing PC and we are dealing with new laptops and desktops. We are usually dealing with starting from 1000 or 900 real to 2900 real. We are mainly dealing with the home. This is one of the model. This is HP ProBook 450 G8 model. 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 11th generation with fingerprint sensor, with keyboard backlight and full HD IPS display with full HD camera. Actually, our price 2350 in offer, Actually, if you search with any other location like Lulu, Jerir, and there this one actually 2,800 900. Actually, we are dealing with the wholesale, so that's why you can get with this price 2,350, and 1 year warranty, not shop warranty, direct company warranty also we are available. And not only this kind of laptop, if you have normal use, I have the Celeron processor laptop starting with 900 real and 950 real. Even HP you can get with 1,000 real, with bag, mouse, headset, installation of the software, all included. आपको पीसी कस्टमाइज करना चाहिए तो, और पीसी बिल्ड करना चाहिए तो i5 और i5 में और i9 में और Ryzen 5 में और Ryzen 9 में, Ryzen 7 में आपको बजट का हिसाब से हम असेंबल करके दिएगा. एंड ग्राफिक्स कार्ड भी है, RTX 30 सीरीज भी है, 20 सीरीज भी है, और विद लिक्विड कूलर का साथ हम असेंबल करके दिएगा, और एयर कूलर का साथ हम असेंबल करके दिएगा. आपको बजट कैसा है वो हिसाब से पूरा पीसी हम बना के पूरा रेडी करके सेट करके दिएगा. आपको दिखाने के लिए हमारे पास अभी कुछ भी नहीं है, बट कस्टमाइज करना चाहिए तो विथ फेवरेबल प्राइस आप इधर आइए, अच्छा प्राइस में हम करके देंगे. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 3,300 रियल में आपको i5 11th जनरेशन विथ वाईफाई मदरबोर्ड एंड 1660 Ti ग्राफिक का साथ आपको अच्छा पीसी बना के हम दिएगा. ये स्टार्टिंग प्राइस है 3,500 रियल में i5 11th जनरेशन वाला विथ 1660 Ti 6GB ग्राफिक का साथ हम बना के दिएगा. हम ये बस नहीं करता है, और राउटर वाला काम करने वाला आदमी लोग है तो TP लिंक का नॉर्मली TP लिंक का 940 यूज़ करता है, और 840N यूज़ करता है, और 901 एक्सेस पॉइंट स्विचेस वगैरह 16 पोर्ट का गीगाबाइट, 24 पोर्ट, 5 पोर्ट और 8 पोर्ट स्विचेस, और सिम डालने वाला राउटर्स, और वाईफाई एक्सटेंड करने के लिए राउटर्स, और लैपटॉप का ओल्ड लैपटॉप में आपको स्पीड नहीं है, स्पीड बहुत स्लो चल रहे हैं, ऐसा है तो आपको वो स्पीड बढ़ाने के लिए आप न्यू लैपटॉप खरीद करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपका लैपटॉप इधर लेके आइए, हम वो स्पीड बढ़ा के आपको दिएगा. अगर अभी नया सिस्टम आ गया है SSD बोल के, SSD डालेगा तो आपको कितना भी ओल्ड वाला लैपटॉप और डेस्कटॉप है तो अब आप इधर लेके आइए, SSD डालेगा तो RAM बढ़ाएगा तो ये पूरा रेडी हो जाएगा. हम सर्विस भी कर रहे हैं, हमारा सर्विसर भी इधर है, और गेमिंग हेडसेट, गेमिंग कीबोर्ड और मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड. अभी माल में जाएगा तो मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड लेने के लिए बहुत पैसा देना चाहिए. अभी रेड ड्रैगन का मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड का साथ माउस भी है, बहुत 200 रियाल में आपको मिल जाएगा, और 150 रियाल में मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड मिल जाएगा, और 61%, 100% कीबोर्ड है, 76% कीबोर्ड, और सब कुछ इधर मिला. आपको स्टोरेज के लिए उधर एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस भी है, माईबुक WD का माईबुक भी है, माई क्लाउड भी है, और SSD वगैरह भी है, एक्सटर्नल हार्ड ड्राइव 1 TB, 2 TB, 4 TB. अगर आपको घर में वाईफाई का काम अच्छा नहीं चल रहे, आपको एक्सेस पॉइंट वगैरह, राउटर वगैरह, होल होम मेश वाईफाई सिस्टम, Asus का, लिंक्स का, TP लिंक का, D लिंक का, ये सब कुछ सामान IT रिलेटेड का आपको जो चाहिए आप इधर आइए. Abbasma Trading, Sofitel Complex, near
Some laptops. This is the used one. You can see here Lenovo. The price is 1,600, and also they have Lenovo here. 16GB SSD, 40GB LED. This price also 1,600, and this one also. There's nothing mentioned any prices, and you can see another one is this is 1,900 cost. For book this one is 2,100 cost. Okay, let we go another market. Actually guys, we came here today the Friday Jumaat May. You can see here all the many shops are they closed, so unfortunately we came here. Okay, anyway, next time I will come the working day, so at least I can capture some videos here. So let me try next time, so hopefully I can capture all such next video. Okay, so I will go some Okay, all shops are closed. Okay, I hope you guys this video is very helpful for you. You enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so you get notification when it comes out with the new video, guys. Okay, we will meet the next video. Until then, Janice, bye bye.